It's that boy. D-Ran finna go on the instrumental. Let's fuck off them beans. D got the beans. Follow me on Twitter. D got the beans. DEE _ I'm off the beans, man. DEE _ got the beans. Follow this boy Wood, the cowboy. You know us, nigga.
This boy said DEE.
Okay, off top of the dome. So to God. D got the beans, D got the beans, D got the beans, D got the beans, D got the beans. Nigga Glock ain't here to hurt your self-esteem. D got the beans, D got the beans, D got the beans, D got the beans. Nigga Glock ain't here to hurt your self-esteem. Nigga Glock ain't here to hurt your self-esteem. D got the beans, all I rep is team. When we ride by, all you see is them beams. We edit at your head, but we on your fucking throat. Nigga, on that fucking note. You know all we sell is coke. Nigga, you know what we smoke. And you know what we tote. And you know what we own. Yeah, Kush is my cologne. Yeah, you see me, I'm the king of the throne. You know what I said, now I run in your home. Bow, 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 bow. Look, 6 shots in your fucking dome. You niggas better leave me alone. Goddamn, I flexing for chrome. And this is a true story, nigga. This is leisure story. See me in the judicial branch, you know what I'm saying, nigga. On my tree bench, my family never bees dead, you know what I'm saying. I stick to your head just like some beeswax. Nigga, what you wanna do? Nigga, don't wanna be that. Nigga, wanna be me. Nigga, I can see that. This that boy D got the beans on the fucking comeback. Nigga, better run back like Adrian Peterson. Niggas didn't want it. I'm like Mr. Peters now. You know me, nigga. I suspend your fucking license, yeah, nigga. Then I will make sure your ass get indicted when I hit you like them devils, nigga. Get up on my level, nigga. Show you, yeah. Move you like a fucking shovel. What the fuck it is? Just let me know. Ooh, D got the fucking Snoop. This ain't no fucking show. Diamonds. Got 'em from my jeweler, goddamn nigga. Got 'em from my schooler, got 'em from my preacher. Gave me, yeah, that front from LaQuisha. Yeah, nigga know me, yeah, Queen Latifah. Bad bitch, smoking with me on this fucking reefer. Yeah, I had to beat her, yeah, defeat her. Swag off the meter, nigga. Check my long range jump shot, nigga. It's off the meter. Derek Jeter. Nigga,